Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing today? It's your boy Daniel with another video. In today's video we are going to take a look on how to invest your first $1,000. You know, a lot of people don't understand really how they should invest, how they should start, like what the fuck they are. It's a bit chaotic, like when you look at stocks, when you look at crypto. Many people don't know what to do, how to start, where to start. So in today's video we are going to take a look on it. I'm going to show you and teach you some basic stuff where you can invest your first 1,000 USD dollars. Alright guys, first of all, as you can see, I have not enough money available right on my account. So what we're gonna do for today's video, because I will deposit on this Sunday, but I will probably buy, next time I will buy will be probably in February. So we are going to invest on our virtual portfolio where I have available $3,000. Well guys, I got for you 4 options, but the fourth one, it's gonna be a bonus for you. So let's start with first option. First option that we have here where to invest are the actual stocks. So how should you invest in stocks? What should you look for? How do you know if it's a good buy, if it's a bad buy? You know, this basic stuff. So let's say I am a bit a safe guy and I want to invest my money into the safe stocks with a high dividend. So when I want to invest in safe stocks, I'm looking for stocks that are on the market for like decades. For example, let's say Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is on the market for decades. Everyone knows it. It's a safe investment. Everyone was drinking it. Everyone is drinking it. Everyone will be drinking it, guys. So it's one of the safe investments with a dividend. So we are now looking on a stocks with safe stocks with dividends. So I would start with investing in Coca-Cola. By the way, you can start investing from $50. So you can buy 20 stocks for $50, which is insane. But would I recommend it? I don't know. Well, if you want to diversify your portfolio and if you are kind of scared and you want to like learn some things, then maybe. But me personally, I wouldn't do it. Then you have an option to start with 10 companies, which I think is the best, because you always want to start with a diversified portfolio. You never want to go all in to one stock, like you're gonna invest 1,000 in Coca-Cola. You know, it's kind of madness. So let's say today we will invest 100 for each company. So we have 10 options. Then you can invest in companies that have a high chance for a future, but they are kind of risky. For example, Tesla. You know, now nobody knows if this stock will drop tomorrow or for how much it will actually drop. You know, this is kind of those risky stocks. But if you get balls, you can invest into them. Another option is you can make a balance. So you can invest like in stocks for future. So you can invest in riskier stocks and you can invest in safe stocks with dividends. And that's actually what we are going to do today. So let's start with Tesla. So let's say I invest 100 in Tesla. So it was our risky stock. Now we're gonna invest in our safe stock, which is Coca-Cola. Another safe bet that we are doing is Apple. Everyone knows Apple, everyone has iPhone, or at least everyone knows someone who has iPhone. So another safe investment. As you can see, their dividend is just about 0.60%, which is fucking nothing. So it's just like a safe investment. So another risky investment will be Palantir. You know guys, so you can go on and on and on and on and on. Just do it like one risky, one safe with the dividends. I think that's the best option. Like if you are the safe guy, go for the safe investments. If you are a fucking gambler, if you're a fucking risky motherfucker, go for risky ones. I mean, if you don't mind being in minus or lose half of your money, go for risky ones. Or if you are a balanced person, go for balance. Go 50-50, go half for risky, go half for safe. Alright guys, another point is ETF. For ETF, you can go again for safe investments with dividends, risky investments and balanced investment. So if I would go with safe, option. I would start with this ETF, Invesco S&P 500, high dividend and low volatility. This ETF has a dividend for almost 5%, which is for ETF is absolutely crazy. If I would like to go for a riskier ETF, then I would go for this. Invesco Solar ETF tracks an index of solar energy companies selected based on the relative importance of solar power to the company's business model. So that would be my riskier pick. Or if you are again balanced person, you can go for these stocks plus ETFs. So let's say I would go for technology sector ETF called XLK, consumer sector called XLY, the healthcare sector called XLV, and then I would buy more stocks. So let's say we invested 100 for each ETF. So we already invested $300 and we are left with 700. So I would go for 7 more companies, also the balanced ones. So 50-50 risky, or like 4 risky, 3 safe. Another point that we got here, a huge point in these times, crypto. Again, with crypto I've got for you 3 tips. Well, first one, go only for Bitcoin. I mean, anyway, 99% altcoins will be deleted, will crash. So that's the first tip, go for Bitcoin. Second tip, you can mix it. You can go for, as you can see, I am in Bitcoin. Well, this is my virtual account. Let me see. So as you can see, I'm in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano and Ripple. So you can make like your own mix of cryptos. Guys, just be fucking careful. Cryptos are most volatile assets on the stock market or on the market. If I would be on your place, I would never go all in into the cryptos. Which brings me to another tip, and that's mix it like I mixed it on my real portfolio. ETFs, stocks and crypto. I think that's the best combination, guys, you can do. You've got the best diversification, you've got the biggest chance to go up. You don't need to be scared like, oh my god, the crypto is down today, I am all in crypto, what can I do, should I withdraw the money, what the fuck can I do? Or like when stocks are down, oh my god, stocks are down, what the fuck will I do? Alright guys, and the bonus tip, the last but not fucking least, if you're a lazy fox, I mean, I'm just kidding, but if you're a lazy person and you don't have time for this shit, you don't have time to watch stock market, you don't have time to watch crypto, you know, you really don't understand it so much, but you want to make money, you are not stupid, you don't want your money under your bed, you can do this option, and that's invest in somebody on eToro. I'm not saying invest in me, of course you can invest. So you open someone's profile, here is a button of copy, you click on copy, you can start from $250 or you can invest your 1,000. So let's say we invest our 1,000, and what will it do? With 1,000 I will copy his old portfolio, I will open all of his positions that he currently owns and or what he will buy, you know. So let's look at this guy. If I click on his portfolio, as you can see, he invested 3% here and 2% here. So if I'm gonna invest 1,000 into this guy, it will invest 3% here from that 1,000, 3% here and 2% here. There are many people on eToro that you can really copy. You can find them all here, but it really is like a option for lazy people. Like, but I understand it. Like, if you have no time, if you don't have time, and you really want to make some money, like you don't want your money be just sitting there, then this is the right option for you guys. The only thing that you should do when you are copy trading someone is only to be constant. I mean, for example, I am investing every month from $500 to $1,000 plus to eToro. So what you should do is to invest in that particular trader that you choose your amount of money every month. Because most of us, we are buying new assets or we are rebuying new positions every month. Or sometimes I even buy positions when I see them. When I see a good position, I go for it. I'm not constant, like I buy every fucking month. Maybe in some month I buy like every week. In another month I buy just once a month, you know. So it's really good that if you stay constant which you're depositing, because you deposit on someone, the money are there, and when he make the investment, your money will make that investment too, and you can be out there grinding, you can be working, you can have second job, you can be just working and making more and more money, and while you are sleeping, the money are working for you guys, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, now we live in fucking crisis, guys. This is our time, this is our opportunity. If we don't take this opportunity, this chance that was given to us, everyone just see the bad stuff, but nobody look at this. Like, this is our chance to change our lives. Yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave the like, leave the comment. Let me know what would you like to see in future videos. If you have any question, I will answer it. You can follow me on eToro. You can follow me on Instagram, link is down in the description. I made a decision, I'm gonna make vlogging videos 3 times a week. One in Sunday, another on Wednesday, and another on Friday. So yeah, guys, good luck with your investing, good luck with your life. Peace.